Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. All right, so what we're going to work on next is an extension of the muscle tendon changing. We went into how muscle tendon changing affects asana and supports the energy field. And then from there into how to amplify the amount of energy coming out of your asana. How to really tune the body, how to do muscle and tendon changing, what's the psychology of it. All right, so we have this teaching in Buddhism called the 4 bases of supernatural power. In Hermetics, called the quadrupolar magnet. This is looking at things from 4 different views: fire, air, water, and earth. The air element is discernment. You discern and sense something. Water element is the attachment, where your mind adheres to something. Fire element is aspect of will, when you energize something. When fire and water balance and harmonize, you have earth. It's a type of persistence, type of equanimity, type of stability that moves things forward and keeps them balanced. Now, when you've tuned the fascia to the feeling of life force, you're sitting in your posture, you feel the radiance of energy around you, the energy is coming out of your body, basically practicing yoga, you're an engine of energy radiation. How do we improve that? How do we make that better? So you identify, you discern the feeling of the energy, you discern the mechanism of how you relax and release the muscle, open the joint, tune the fascia to generate more life force feeling. Then you identify, I am life force. When you identify I am life force and you feel the life force, the quality of sung or relaxation, how you release the muscle, open the joint, tune the fascia and stretch, produce more, becomes obvious. Because your mind is recognizing itself as being that energy, then from that identity, you understand and feel, this is how I produce more of me, more energy. So as you relax the muscles more and you radiate more energy, it becomes a self-fulfilling intuitive process of how to do that. So the discernment, you discern the feeling, identify I am the feeling, and then your intuition cuts in, you apply your will to relax further and produce more of that feeling. So the fire pillar comes in. There's a harmony inside this. Your willpower, your discernment, and your identity, your attachment, form a persistence, a type of sung, where you just relax, stretch, and radiate your energy outwards. So this psychology allows you to take muscle and tendon changing, mastering posture, up to the next level. You can go up, 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 up. This psychology is very important for all Qigong practice, all meditation practice, for you to understand it, so you can tune into any particular facet and refine and achieve a much higher level of that skill that you're working on, because you have all these different facets to look at it from. And you'll get to know, do I need to achieve more discernment? Do I need to identify more? Do I need to strengthen my will? Or do I need to balance and equalize more? So you can design other exercises to develop each of those 4 pillars, to develop the 4 bases of power, and know your strengths, know your weaknesses, so you can develop yourself at a faster rate. Thank you for your time. See you on the next video.